Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to do the poem from 8th class, and the name of the poem is Abu bin Adam, and this is written by Lee Hunt. In this poem, you will find that how Abu was able to get the name in that list where it was written by the angel, the names of the people who loved God and whom God loved. ओके इस पोएम में आपको पता चलेगा कि कैसे अब्बू बिन आदम ने वो सक्सेसफुल हुआ उस लिस्ट में अपना नाम लिखवाने के लिए, जिसमें एक तो लिस्ट बनी थी जिसमें कि जो भगवान को लव करते हैं और सेकेंड लिस्ट बनी थी जिनको भगवान लव करता है, एंड हाउ ही वॉज एबल टू गेट दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी. So let's read this poem. It's interesting one. So listen it carefully, my dear students. Abu bin Adam, may his tribe increase, awoke one night from the deep dream of peace and saw within the moonlight in his room, making it rich, that like a lily in bloom, an angel writing in the book of gold, exceeding peace had made Ben Adam bold. And to the presence in the room he said, what rises to? The vision raised its head, and with the look made of all sweet accord, answered the name of those who loved the Lord. I have read the whole paragraph so that it is interconnected. You will just come to know easily what is written in this paragraph. That's why I read the whole lines of the first paragraph. Now, Abu was a very pious man. Okay? वो बहुत एक पवित्र धार्मिक प्रवृत्ति का इंसान था, एंड ही लव्ड हिज फेलो मैन वेरी मच. ठीक है, दोज पीपल वी ऑल आर क्रिएटेड बाय गॉड एंड ही लव्ड ऑल. वो सभी लोगों को प्यार करता था, वो ऐसा इंसान था. ओके, एंड वन नाइट ही वाज स्लीपिंग इन हिज रूम एंड सडनली सॉ दैट देयर वाज अ लाइट ऑल अराउंड इन द रूम, and the room it bloomed like a lily flower. Okay, and then Abu saw that one angel was there, and he was writing something on the golden book. He had the book of gold and he was writing on it, and Abu asked, what are you writing here? He just asked that angel, and that angel said that I am writing the name of those who love God, कि मैं उनके नाम लिख रहा हूं जो भगवान को प्यार करते हैं. ठीक है, you do understand that he was sleeping and all of a sudden what happened, the whole room it just lighted with a bright light, and he saw one angel. He's there and he's having one book. It's a book of gold, and he's making some list. He's writing the names of some persons. Abu asked, what are you doing? He simply said that I am making the list of those people who love God. Now let's proceed. And is mine one? There's a question mark. Said Abu, nay, not so, replied the angel. Abu spoke more low, but cheerily still, and said, I pray thee then, write me as one that loves his fellow men. उसने कहा कि क्या मेरा नाम है इस लिस्ट में? Do you have my name in that list? The angel said, no, not yet. अभी तो आपका नाम इस लिस्ट में नहीं आया. Then Abu said that, okay, when you will make the list of those people who love the fellow men of God, then write my name. उसने कहा ठीक है, जब तुम दोबारा लिस्ट बनाओगे ना जिसमें कि जो भगवान के बंदों को, भगवान के इंसानों को प्यार करता है ना, तब मेरा नाम उसमें आप ऐड कर लेना. The angel wrote and vanished. The next night it came again with the great awakening light and showed the names whom the love of God had blessed, and lo, Ben Adam's name led all the rest. अब नेक्स्ट नाइट दोबारा सेम सीन हुआ, वैसे ही लाइट हुई, and then again this angel, he is writing something on the gold book. Then Adam said, now is it there? He said, of course, there is the name of those people who love the fellow man of God and God loved them so. अगर हम भगवान के बंदों को प्यार करते हैं, उसके बनाए हुए इंसानों को प्यार करते हैं, तो भगवान हमें भी प्यार करता है. And he saw that now at this time the name of Abu bin Adams was at the top. कि उसका नाम सबसे ऊपर था. Okay, so this poem told us how if we love the creation of God, God automatically will love us. Okay students, I will be back with the question answers of this poem. Till then, it's a time to say bye bye.